Distribute definition, distribute in a sentence, distribute pronunciation, distribute meaning. Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. American pronunciation of distribute. Distribute. Di-stri-bute. Distribute. Distribute as a verb means to give out or to pass something around. Common usages in academic writing: to distribute the assignments, to distribute the survey, to distribute the products, to distribute the supplies. Distributed throughout. Example sentences: distribute, verb. The bird species creates very small nests that you can barely make out, even though they are distributed all around us. Example sentence number 2. The company aims eventually to distribute its products throughout China. The common academic writing variation is redistribute, verb. The policy aimed to redistribute wealth more equally amongst the community members. Please write a sentence using distribute in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of distribute, the meaning of distribute, and distribute example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.